Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cook chicken light soup with potato fufu. To do that, I have my chicken, that is my garlic, defrosted ginger, curry powder, chicken bouillon, salt, anise powder, dried basil, and chopped onions, and mix all well and put it on fire to cook. My chickens are on fire already, so let it cook. It's a hard one, so it takes long to cook. I'll see you soon. My chicken is a bit hard, so I added some water and I'll let it cook again for another 30 minutes so that it can be soft. I'm adding more water. I just want to do some chicken pepper soup. Today's pepper soup is going to be really simple, just water and pepper, because the ingredients in the stock is good. It's good enough, so I'll just add pepper and let it cook. That's it. I'll check the salt. Check for salt, and if it's enough, fine. I'll add a little bit. I'm going to add some dried pepper. Reduce the fire and cook on the low heat, and that's it. I saw some potato fufu online on YouTube, so I have some old potato. I said let me try if myself I can do it. It's the first time doing it, so we have to do it together. I'm just peeling the potato now, and I'll cut it and blend it. I'm going to pour my potato in my blender, and you add a bit of water to make it blend, and you blend it smoothly. Let's try. Some plantain fufu flour here. I'm going to add a little bit so I can give that yellow color to my fufu. I pour this amount, then I'll add some of my blended potato and make drop some water here and cover it up to let it cook. My fufu is ready. I'm serving my fufu now and my soup, chicken light soup. Everybody's invited. I have to show you how the fufu is. It's okay, it's nice and light. It's really, really nice. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.